What's up, taters? This is Tree from treeoflogic.com, and Donald Trump is shaking things up again. Oh my God, this is great. So I'm going to tell you about his new gold card plan, and it's genius. I really, really like it, and it looks like a lot of people are liking it as well. So he's basically going to revamp the EB-5 investor visa, and I think it's a great idea. There's other countries that do this or do something similar to this. So why not America? But I'm going to go ahead and read that. But before I do, guys, make sure you like the video. You guys liking the video and commenting has really been putting me in the algorithm. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I really appreciate that from the bottom to the top of my heart. Now, let's go ahead and read this article and see a video of Trump talking about this very new program that he's going to implement. Trump pitches gold card as replacement for EB-5 investors visa. The Trump administration said Tuesday that it would be revamping the United States investor visa, increasing the funds required to secure the status while dubbing the new option a gold card. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick told reporters in the Oval Office that the Trump administration would be ending the existing EB-5 visa program, while President Trump boasted the new visa would booster the economy. He's quoted as saying, "We're going to be selling a gold card. You have a green card. This is a gold card. We're going to be putting a price on that card of about $5 million. And that's going to give you green card privileges. Plus, it's going to be a route to citizenship, and wealthy people will be coming into our country by buying this card. They'll be wealthy, they'll be successful, and they'll be spending a lot of money and paying a lot of taxes and employing a lot of people. And we think it's going to be extremely successful," he said. Lutnick says the new card would raise funds to pay down the U.S. debt. They'll have to go through the vetting, of course, to make sure they're wonderful world-class global citizens. They can come to America. President can give them a green card and they can invest in America, and we can use that money to reduce our deficit. While Trump said the new system has never been done before, it's never been done before, anything like this. I need to improve my Trump impersonation. The broad strokes of what the men announced sound similar to the existing EB-5 investor program, albeit with a higher price tag. The current program requires would-be investors to invest a little over $1 million and create at least 10 jobs. And it also put investors on a pathway to a green card and later citizenship. It's unclear, however, whether Trump can end the EB-5 program without Congress's blessing, as the investor program was just reauthorized in 2022. Well, since the Republicans, the GOP, leads the House and the Senate, I don't see why this is a problem. So let's go over to the video where Trump announced this and talk about this from the Oval Office.
We're going to be doing something else that's going to be very, very good. We're going to be selling a gold card. You have a green card. This is a gold card. We're going to be putting a price on that card of about $5 million, and that's going to give you green card privileges plus. It's going to be a route to citizenship, and wealthy people will be coming into our country by buying this card. They'll be wealthy, and they'll be successful, and they'll be spending a lot of money and paying a lot of taxes and employing a lot of people. And we think it's going to be extremely successful and never been done before or anything like this, but it's something that we're going to be putting out over the next, would you say 2 weeks, Howard? Do you want to say a couple of words about it?
Sure.
Mr. President, are there
Wait a
any
minute.
requirements for that
Hang on a
gold
sec.
card? Do you have to invest a certain amount of money in this country in order to qualify for that gold card?
Yeah, exactly.
So
Go
the
ahead.
EB-5 program was really, you lend some money, but it was full of nonsense, make-believe, and fraud, and it was a way to get a green card that was low priced. So the president said, rather than having this sort of ridiculous EB-5 program, we're going to end the EB-5 program. We're going to replace it with the Trump Gold Card, which is really a green card gold. So they'll be able to pay $5 million to the U.S. government. They'll have to go through vetting, of course. We're going to make sure they're wonderful, world-class global citizens. They can come to America. The president can give them a green card, and they can invest in America, and we can use that money to reduce our deficit. Why do we give out lotteries of green cards? Why do we give out EB-5 for green cards? The President of the United States understands that the right answer is, why don't we eliminate the deficit of the United States of America instead?
The gold card, well, millions, but the gold card will bring in with it people that create jobs, very high-level people. I think companies will pay to get people in. For instance, you today graduate from the Wharton School of Finance or Harvard or Stanford or any college, and nobody knows if you can even go to work for a company. So Apple and all these companies that want to get people to be working for them will be able to buy a card, and for the people that are number one in their class at top schools, I see that as one of the things. But generally speaking, it'll be people with money and people that create jobs, and they won't have to pay any tax on income outside of the United States, which they're not paying right now. They're not citizens, but they'll have to pay if they create jobs in the United States. They'll pay full taxes like everybody else. So you're getting big taxpayers, big job producers, and we'll be able to sell maybe 1 million of these cards, maybe more than that. And if you add up the numbers, they're pretty good. As an example, 1 million cards would be worth $5 trillion. $5 trillion.
Wow.
And if you sell 10 million of the cards, that's a total of $50 trillion. Well, we have 35 trillion in debt. That'd be nice. So we'll see. But it could be great. Maybe it will be fantastic. We have it all worked out from the legal standpoint. It's totally legal to do. Hasn't been done before. It's been done in many different forms. We give them away. Why should we give them away? We shouldn't give them away. And I think it's something very exciting. I think it's potentially just something that we're all very excited about.
I love this, okay? I am all for this. Yes. Yes. Genius idea. President Trump with another golden idea to help lead America into the golden age. America wins. Trump's immigration gold card is pure genius, incentivizing investment and talent in America. This move will attract high net worth individuals and create jobs, boosting the U.S. economy. Kudos to Trump for thinking outside the box and finding innovative solutions to complex issues. Absolutely brilliant. Instead of letting freeloaders in, Trump is making wealthy immigrants invest in America first. This is great. Rather than have illegals entering our country and we pay millions for their welfare, immigrants pay us to enter, contribute, and live in our country. It's a win-win art of the deal. Green card? We don't need no stinking green card. We got the Trump gold card. By the way, for those of you who don't know, this is actually a meme that comes from the Blazing Saddles. This was a great old-timey, edgy movie. They don't make movies like this anymore. Trump just turned the immigration debate into a business deal. Pay $5 million, contribute to America, and skip the nonsense. This is next level leadership. Good. The whole world, especially in Europe, offers gold visa programs. Malta, Portugal, Hungary, and Greece are the most appealing options. In Greece, for only 250,000 euros, you can purchase property and obtain Greek residency, which grants you automatic access to the EU Schengen zone privileges. So there you have it, taters. I love this idea. Let me know what you think as well in the comments below. Oh my God, this is so great. Instead of getting all these freeloaders, these welfare recipients just basically stealing from our resources that they didn't pay into, now these people have to pay into our resources, making America great again. I love it. I know we're going to have some Democrats that they're going to lose their mind, going to protest, going to call Orange Man bad, and then want to impeach Elon even though he's not an elected official. Anyway, I love to see them go crazy. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment below this video. Don't forget to leave me a like. And if you made it this far, give me a gold. I mean, is there a card symbol in there? You know what? If there is not a card symbol in the emoji box, then leave like money. Show me some dollar bills or some money in the emoji, and I will like your comment, okay? Let me know if you made all the way to this end of the video by leaving either money, or if there is a gold card emoji in the description box, leave that too, or a gold coin. I'll take either one of those. So either a money symbol, a gold coin symbol, or a gold card symbol. Leave it in the comments below and I will like your comment. All right. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later, taters.